Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play your PlayStation 4 controller on your Nintendo Switch. This clever trick lets you use your favorite DualShock 4 controller for many Switch games you own. You will need a specific wireless adapter, easily found online, and a few moments of your time to set everything up correctly. Get ready to enhance your gaming experience by bringing a familiar feel to your Nintendo console, making your gameplay more comfortable and precise across various titles. You will specifically need a third-party wireless USB adapter that supports both PlayStation 4 controllers and the Nintendo Switch. These adapters are typically small, about 2 inches in length, and plug directly into your Switch dock or console. Also ensure you have a standard USB-C cable for your Switch and a micro USB cable if you need to charge your PlayStation 4 controller, as the adapter does not provide power directly. First, locate an available USB port on your Nintendo Switch dock. You can use any of the 3 ports usually found there. If you are playing in handheld mode, you will need a USB-C to USB adapter to connect the wireless dongle directly to the console's bottom port. Ensure the adapter is firmly seated, and a small indicator light, often blue or green, should begin flashing to signal it is active and ready to pair with your controller. Now, prepare your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller for pairing. Simultaneously press and hold the share button and the PlayStation button on your controller for approximately 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar on your controller will start flashing rapidly in a white pattern, indicating it is in pairing mode and searching for a connection. This is the crucial step for your controller to become discoverable by the wireless adapter and link up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.